But for your sake, love, I broke the trust you have in me. I had to pay the price, 'cause your world need you most. I love you, yes, I do. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love.
I can't do this. No man has seen my nakedness. Except you, my husband. I can't break my marital vows. This is against my faith. What if I run mad immediately? Please don't give me the money.
Okay, once you're married in this community, there are some certain things you don't do, like adultery. If you're married in this community and you commit adultery, madness, straight up.
But for your sake, love, I broke the trust you have in me. I had to pay the price, 'cause your world need you most. I love you, yes, I do. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. Inside of me, I feel you.
Sorry.
Your picture is in my heart when I
I can't
breathe.
let you die.
Kai Angela, kila put them local chip, you waste my time, power. Why they watch and pabun never? Why they watch and pabun? I tell you the like for you waste my time. Marketing Burantashi, we go soon finish in super. I tell you, I the P2 more than small boys. I like the P2 more than small boys.
I'm coming.
Yo, you look very, very beautiful, man. Very beautiful. Come close, man. Come.
Alhaji, you said once we get to the room, you transfer the remaining money to me. I'm worried. I can't please you when I'm sad.
How about me? Me, madam. Huh? Do you look at me, come on, a man that would not keep his promise? Oh yeah. So Yonsu, let me surprise you. Oh? Let me give you something. Bring your account number. Give me my phone. Oh? Come on, Jakana. Bring my back phone. Okay. Now, what is there? Come. Yanzu, to give me account number. Bani, give me account number. Give me your account number. Bani account number like.
03 817 64 818 Echo Bank.
To, wato ce kenan? Yowa. To, me na wujen? Kudi kuma?
Alhaji. To, 10 million naira.
Kudin kuma abun duniya? Wallahi, me na wujen. This is how I want your face to be smiling for me every time, always. Wallahi, dalai. Dala.
Thank you, Alhaji. God bless you. You have saved his soul. Thank you.
Thank you. So this is how I want your face to be looking always. Go every day you're smiling for me. Go back, but it's good for me. Go take 3 million naira for yourself and take care of yourself. This is how I want your face to look always, man. Go back, smiling for me. It's good. Go. Wannan container na small boy husband naki ko, wallahi I will look into it. I want you to be very, very happy always go. Wallahi talai. Na rinsa da sunan Allah.
Alhaji, you will do that for me? My husband's container?
Wallahi I will do it for you.
I swear to God I will be forever grateful to you.
Well, I want to be happy, mana. To kizokusa. Kizokusa mana wallahi. Ke maso mana. Haba da Allah. Garenya mai kyau. Kiso mana. Ta. Kigin. Ta. Garenya mai kyau. Tarki.
Not that I want this, but for your sake, Lord, I broke the trust you have in me. I had to pay the price, 'cause your world need you most. I love you, yes, I do. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, Lord. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, Lord. Inside of me, I feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe to you. I hold you so dear in my heart. Every space is occupied with your thoughts, oh my Lord. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, Lord. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, Lord.
Okay.
I need to leave. I need to rush off to the hospital. I have some things to do, very important things to do there.
Kuma, you want to go so quick, Hakako? I have never had you enough help.
I'll come back. I need to go so that I can start making arrangements for my husband's travel.
If that is the case, go. Let me give you number for my traveling agent, go.
Okay.
So that you make all the necessary arrangement, the Kike Soko, that you want for the whole thing. Go.
Thank you.
070
Yes.
374 515 63. Go. Kukuma, you will give me number for your husband clearing agent. Go. Let me talk to them. Go. Magana container nachigo. This container go.
Yes.
I will do something. Go.
I just sent the number to you. It's a text message.
It's okay. To shake in. Go.
Alright.
Shake in. Go.
I need to go.
To Kukuma, I will call you. Go. That other matter. You say you will not be my fifth wife. Go. You'll be my mistress. We will talk about it. Go. I will call you. Go.
Okay.
Take transport.
Let me just
Not that I want this, but for your sake, love, I broke the trust you have in me. I had to pay the price, cause your world need you most. I love you, yes, I do. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love.
Yes, sir. The physicians are doing well. Yeah, taking care of the patients. All right, thank you, sir. Madam, you are lucky. A medical flight just arrived from India. If you have all your traveling documents, you can go with them in 2 days. You don't have to wait till next week.
Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you. I'll try and get everything ready before then.
That would be nice. Mrs. Obonna, I'm curious. How did you manage to raise the money?
God. He intervened at the 11th hour.
Wow. I'm so happy for you. You and your entire family, you need this relief. You need this break.
Thank you very much, doctor. I need to leave now. I have so many things to put in place.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Alright, you too, doctor. Thank you.
Are you okay? We have been trying to reach you all day. I was worried sick, so I had to rush home to look for you. Informer called. She said that Mama has been discharged from hospital.
Really?
Yes. Another good news. She said they have found buyer for the land.
This is good news.
She said the buyer is willing to pay 2 million naira for the 2 lands. Though it's not up to the value of the land. Mama said that she doesn't mind. So they will make the payment tomorrow.
My happiness is that Mama has been discharged. Thank God.
I'm so happy. Thank God. Here can you come
Anyway, there will be no need for her to go through that stress anymore. I have paid for everything.
Auntie, what did you say? You have paid for everything?
Everything.
Hey! You have paid for everything. Thank you, Jesus. We believe you. Thou, God bless you. You have paid for everything. Hey! Jesus. What God cannot do does not exist. Hey! But auntie, how did you get the money? How did you manage to get the money?
I sold one of his lands. I sold Philip's land.
One of his lands?
Yes.
Which of them? But you said no.
Dima, please. I had a long night. And this is not what I would want to discuss. Not to worry. I'll brief you later. I want you to go in, pack your bags. You'll be going to India with Philip.
I'll be going to India with my brother. You mean 3 of us or?
No. You go with him alone. I need to stay back and take care of things before my husband returns.
Auntie Biawa, why would I be the one to take my brother to India? Besides, my brother would like to see you by his side, not me.
Dima, please. Just go in and pack your bag. Please. I had a long
Not that I want this, but for your sake, love, I broke the trust you have in me. I had to pay the price, cause your world need you most. I love you, yes, I do. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. Inside of me, I feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe to you. I hold you so dear in my heart. Every space is occupied with your thoughts, oh my love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people.
Onye nọ ya? Ifeoma. Where's Mama?
No. I couldn't believe you got the whole money. Miss you. Not until Dimma called on phone this morning to tell me they were leaving that I believed it. Hey! Oh, so, how was Philip doing before they left?
He was still in the same coma condition. The way you saw him the last time.
Yeah. Nwa m nwoke na-eje obodo oyibo, ọ mara na ọ na-eje obodo oyibo. Dimkpa na-arapụ na nne ya, ọ mara na ebu apụ.
Mama, it's okay. I believe in the next few days things will change.
Oh, yeah? Man, Angel, I must be honest. I am not relaxed. Are you sure that Dimma can take care of my son properly? You should have informed me when you decided that you were not going with them.
Mama, it is not an issue. Dimma will do a good job. She is more than capable. Dimma has been with me since my husband fell ill. She knows his condition very well. So she'll be able to handle things, okay?
Oh no, Kapeka. No, Kapeka.
Mama, it's okay.
Iwe wokwana gị. Ịma na asị na ajụ weli na-akpata ya wee nwụọ. Maka na okenye ada anọkwa n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ogbele. Tell me, nwa m, how did you manage to get the whole money?
I borrowed the money, Mama.
Huh? borrowed. Yes. But Dimma told me on phone that you said you sold the land. Because I remember telling her that you said there was no land to sell. And I was like,
oh, Mama, you heard correctly. I told Dimma that I sold the land because I didn't want her to be bothered about me borrowing money from somebody. That was why I told her that, yes, Mama.
Eh, that's is one man no kwala ofuma. Kokwe mo didi. My dear, you're a strong man. You fought like a man. And Jangwam, I'll be forever indebted to you.
Thank you, Mama.
I should be thanking you. Omoganekenege. Hi. Nemdalo. God bless you.
It's okay, Mama.
So, when are we expecting them back?
In another 6 weeks, they should be back.
So in that case, you'll be staying with us until they return?
No, Mama. I would have to return to Lagos. Yes, I need to meet up with some of the people I borrowed money from. There's some things we need to balance up.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. It's all right. So, if you leave for Lagos now, when do we expect you back?
I don't know, Mama.
Oh.
Yes.
So what do you want? I'll be expecting you and be expecting the mascot too. So what do you want, my dear? Hey, Waka, you tried. Hi,
please. I want you to hand this over to Philip when he returns. To Philip, I said.
What is inside?
Just some of his personal effects he will be needing.
Why are you giving me this?
I want him to pick it up. I mean, maybe he might come to the village since his ticket was booked to Enugu directly. So I want you to give it to him just in case he gets here first.
Are you not supposed to be the first person he will see when he returns? So why did you book the ticket to Enugu? In that case, you'll be coming down, right?
Hopefully, Mama. Hopefully.
So I should keep it?
Yes, Mama. Yes.
What is inside?
Nothing much. Just his personal effects he might be needing.
I mean, don't feel me any that, but thank you, my daughter. God will bless you.
What are you thanking me
for? Do this.
This is my husband.
Food is ready. Bring the food here. Papa, get back on the level. Okay.
Thank you.
I will keep this one myself. Okay, Jebuteli.
Hi. You fought like a man.
Go. Bye.
How do I know I am not mad right now? But I'm still wearing my clothes and I can remember who I am. I am certain madness does not nurture such lucidity. Perhaps the gods know I did it for a reason. It's been 9 days since I slept with Elaji and nothing has happened. Who knows? Maybe the oracle of Ariokba might not be all seeing as everyone thinks. God. God, please. Just wake Philip up. I need to talk to him. I need to explain everything to him now that I still can. Please. I'm not smart. It's only insane people that wakes up in the middle of the night talking to themselves while standing in the mirror. I'm saying I'm not smart. Okay. It's my room. It's my bed. Jesus. Jesus. Yeah, hello?
Yes, it's me, Chidinma.
Hi, Dimma, thank God. What's going on? I've been so worried. I've been trying to reach you guys. How is my husband?
Oh, Auntie, I am so sorry. Everything has been so hectic. They have been conducting scan after scan and test upon test. It was just this morning that I had little time to buy a SIM card because brother is now under observation before the surgery today. Yes, I said I must call you to tell you how things are over here so that you will help me and pray for him.
Nothing will happen to him, okay? The good Lord who saw him this far will definitely see him through. Alright? All our prayers and efforts will not go in vain. So what are they saying? What are his chances?
Yes, the doctor said it's 60-40. bed. I don't know what to do with myself for the next few hours when he will be in surgery. There's no church around here. I can go and pray for him. I don't know what to do.
Just calm down. Have faith and stop nursing fears. Alright? He will be fine. Nothing will happen to him. He will definitely survive. I'll go into church right away to pray for him. I'll be on my knees until the surgery is over. Okay?
Okay, I will.
All you need to do is just to keep praying. And just let me know if there are any changes in his health condition, alright?
Yes, I will call you immediately they finish.
Please stay control with everything. Just go according to plans. Nothing that happens to my husband. He's able to come out of this safe and sound in Jesus' name. Lord, I know you were very angry with me. Especially the way I spoke to you the last time I went to church. I am deeply sorry. Please, I beg you. Do this for the sake of my husband. He's a good man. Please. For his sake. And not mine.
Not that I want this, but for your sake, Lord, I broke the trust you have in me. I had to pay the price, 'cause your world need you most. I love you, yes, I do. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, Lord. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, Lord. Inside of me, I feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe to you.
Ifeoma, nne m. What could be the problem? Eh? Angela that I know will not skip a day without calling us. Even if she doesn't call us, she will call the man. What is going on?
Mama, you worry too much. Maybe her phone is faulty, that's why she has not called. She will call soon.
I don't understand. Are you sure something bad has not happened to that girl?
God forbid. Mama.
Dimma said she called Angela that Philip was about to enter for surgery. Angela told Dimma that she was going to the church to pray for Philip. Kono bro the same time
Mama, well, you have to relax and stop worrying yourself. Probably she lost her phone. That is why it's not reachable.
I pray so. I pray so because I am having these bad feelings in my gut. I am having a bad feeling. Something is not right. Angela cannot skip a day without calling.
Mama, stop worrying yourself. And please shun those negative feelings. Affliction shall not rise a second time.
Hello, Dimma.
God has done it for us. Brother Philip has woken up.
Is it?
I said Brother Philip has woken up from coma. He woke up a few hours after the surgery, Mama, which was successful.
Onny.
Not that I want this, but for your sake, love, I broke the trust you have in me. I had to pay the price, 'cause your world need you most. I love you, yes, I do.
I did not see him. I don't know him. Give me money. Give me money.
I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you. Inside of me, I feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe to you. I hold you so dear in my heart. Every space is occupied with your thoughts, oh my love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me.
Nine, I don't think if you're getting my point. Nine, this is a girl that will call me 2 times daily at times. Eh? Angela fought tooth and nail to ensure that her husband got the surgery. How then is it possible that all is well with her and she never cared to call, even to ask about her husband or the possible?
Ne Philip.
Nine.
That sounds strange. Aye. But have you sent anyone to check on her?
Yes. I sent a girl to check on her, but she reported back that the gate was locked. Angela Najabezilebe. Eh?
Don't worry. Ifeoma and I will go there and check on her and know what is wrong with her.
No, you go to the city for me.
I will.
I know I can always count on you. Because Philip's surgery was successful.
Hey! Hey! Chuku. Hey! Chuku. Anye kenegi. This is wonderful. Ne Philip, I knew Agonia will come out successful. His chief has not finished with him. His destiny is just beginning to unravel. Ndiro, bacha. It's just waiting.
Hey, no, they said he will be fit to return in a month's time.
That is great. That is great news. Ne Philip, there's rumor going round this community, but it cannot be repeated until it is confirmed. But Ne Philip, Philip's return will be a great development. Tongues are beginning to wag. Yes.
What news are you talking about?
Time will tell.
Oh, I'm Agwamita. All I know is that my son will return back to me. Hell and earth.
He say. Onyama.
So you will be leaving tomorrow?
Yes.
So
I will go with the informer.
So I will inform her. Dalundai.
Oh.
I'm a little janja.
The gate is locked. I don't think there is anyone inside.
What do we do now? Look at the time.
I think we should just wait for her. Maybe she went out and will soon be coming back.
What if she does not come back? Then we'll be stranded.
Uncle, please, you worry too much. If she does not come back before nightfall, we will look for a hotel to spend the night and then continue on our search tomorrow.
Let's wait. Children of this generation, they can't stop amazing me. Come. Do you think we are here to admire this gate? If you don't have the key to this gate, come and sit down here and wait with us.
Sir, I'm sorry. I never knew people were also waiting for the occupant of this house.
Now you know. Who are you looking for?
Oga Philip.
My brother is not yet back from India. As you can see, we are seated here waiting for his wife, Angela.
You say my Oga is your brother? Well, I came to confirm if who I saw in the market was the wife or someone that looks like her.
What truth are you talking about?
Who are you talking about?
Auntie Angela, my Oga's wife. I saw a mad woman in the market that looked so much like her. That's the reason why I came to confirm if it was her.
Not my Angela. Swear! Not my brother's wife, Chukwaju. And I become a to know Kakanaka.
What makes you think she was the one?
Because when I called her Auntie Angela, she turned and looked at me.
Oh, it is obvious that you are the mad person here. You are! Can you listen to yourself? You called a mad woman's name and you were expecting what? For her to turn and say, yeah, I'm not Angela. You are obviously mad. You share the rocking man.
Well, my thoughts too. But I've been calling her for the past 1 hour. And her line has not been connecting.
Please, come again. You've been calling her?
Her line has not been connecting.
Uncle, what do you think? We've been trying to reach her, but all to no avail. And that is why we came all the way from the village to see if all is alright.
Yeah, please. This mad woman you are talking about, where is she now?
She's in the market, a bit far from here.
Bam. Uncle, don't listen to this mad girl. I'm serious. Hey, please hold it there. We are not going to any market or anywhere she said the mad woman is. If we leave here, we will miss Angela when she returns. Let's wait for her. I believe she must be on her way back.
Calm down. Let us go and see this mad woman she's talking about. You are a little child. You might not understand everything. Let us go. By the time we go there, if she is not the one, we will come back. If Angela is back, we will see her. Let us go and fulfill all righteousness. Inugo? No, don't worry. If we go and we did not see her, we will come back here. And if she's back, we will meet her. Can I come back?
I will give you soup. Soup, Baba. Did you see my love? Okay, my customer, when I go to that. This one, Nasabiha. Hey, Nanya. He said this woman. They say why Yahoo boy now ain't carry her for Mercedes drop him. And since why ain't drop him, now so the woman can't go scatter. Hey, not let me be a fight for her. Yeah, she offered a tool jacket. I have to do now. Hey, she dey fight, she dey fight, and she can blow. It's a girl. I will give you some. I don't want to go. I said you should do go. Okocha, never go. Okocha, never. Did you show you get? You show you get? You show you check. I will give you some. I will give you some.
Nine. What is wrong? You both have been moping and staring like zombies since you walked in. What is going on?
We took the night bus.
Why the rush? You left yesterday and today you are here. How is Angela? Is she okay? Angela Okadizikwando. Ifoma, someone should answer me now. What is it? Open up with Angela, you let me know.
Ne Philip, where you find out where Barbara? I know what I'm about to tell you will shock you, but I want you to gather yourself, pull yourself together.
Nanyani, you are scaring me the more. If I can bear my husband's death, what can't I bear? Tell me what is going on.
Ne Philip, unye nwagi wanayara. She is mad now.
Then what? Onye the man? Ify. What is he saying? Nine. If Angela Nanya Konakola, what do you mean Angela is mad? No, taking it.
I saw her myself.
Oh. They said she ran mad. Immediately a man dropped her with a car.
Hey! Angela, why? Agamaka!
When I saw her seated there, looking so tattered, I felt pitiful. But when I went closer, she asked me if I had seen her love. I felt this anger in my heart. Was she asking me of my brother? Or her lover? How could Angela do such a thing when my brother is out there fighting for his life? Oh, Mama, can you find out my brother Philip?
Hello. 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 Angela, why? Angela, so this is why you refused to stay back here and wait for your husband. Why? I told him to marry from here, but he refused. He refused. Oh. Hello. So this is how this girl wants to kill my son. Hey, this is how this girl wants to kill my son before his time. Hello. Angela. What?
She will tell Philip nothing. This is not the kind of story you break over the phone.
Angela, why? Angela, why did you do this to us? Why? Why, Angel, why? My son is there fighting for his life. And all you could do is to follow men up and down. Why? You should have waited.
Uncle, what if my brother wakes up and asks of her? What do we tell him?
Tell him anything, but don't tell him the truth. He might lose his mind. There's so much a man can carry. Now, let me ask you, Ifoma, how would you now go and tell him that the wife, I mean the new wife, is being struck by a robber? Chicken here. Kicking is a will. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. Because when I complained, you were among the people that were saying, Philip said he loves her.
You came back to me alive. You see? Huh? Oh. Mama, I miss you. Hey. How are you? I am good.
Namaste. Namaste. Namaste.
You came back to me alive. Nam. Hey.
Mama, has she not heard my voice? Eh? Has she not heard my voice? Wifey, where's my wife? Hey, Mama. Anna, Kemuyem, where's my wife?
Dimma.
What's going on?
Philip Abata. Philip Abata. Philip. Hey! Philip. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey! Yes, I'm back.
Hey!
I'm back.
Hey! Agwa na bebo na bandi.
Oh, salute you.
Agunaya. I know you will come back stronger.
All the glory to God.
Oh yes. Hey. Aguna. Oh,
The one that walked on the threshold of death
and still return alive.
We welcome you. Huh?
No,
Our son, we welcome you. No one is telling me anything. Where is my wife?
Philip. We heard that you slept for weeks.
Yeah.
And the white man woke you up.
Yes, Uncle, you're right. I was in coma for a while now, and while I was away, I heard how you helped my family. So I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
Omaro, Philip, you are more than a son to me.
Oh, yes.
If I had that opportunity, I will do more. Omaro.
Well, no, but since I came back, I've not spoken to my wife. And while I was in coma, I wasn't able to speak with her. Now that I'm back, I'm asking of my wife and my mother and my sister.
Can you see? This generation of impatience, you are just arriving. You have not even entered the house to take water. Enter the house.
Uncle, what does it mean? Action of my wife. Where is my wife? Mama, where is?
Oh, hey!
I don't understand you. I don't understand you anymore. Must you kill yourself over that adulterous woman? Do you want to kill yourself for her?
Hey, don't you ever in your life talk such nonsense about my wife anymore. Don't try it. Obo, no try more. No try more. I beg, move this car. Let's get out of here.